You only breathe through one nostril at a time. Is there something wrong with me? This is the shocking truth. At any given time, people do about 75% of their breathing from one nostril and 25% from the other, through a process called the nasal cycle. The nasal cycle is the unconscious sequence of congestion and decongestion of the nasal cavity during the day. Throughout a jolly good day, the dominant nostril from a person can switch from one side to another.
You breathe freely again. Super Anhist nasal spray.
This means that when congestion occurs in one nostril, decongestion occurs in the other. Great! Now you have me conscious of my breathing.
It's free!
There are 4 different types of nasal cycles. The classic. This occurs when there is equal decongestion and congestion occurring with a constant total value. The parallel. This takes place when congestion or decongestion occurs in both nostrils at the same time. The irregular. This is where equal decongestion and congestion occur with a constant total volume, but there is no regular pattern. And the acyclic. This happens when the total nasal volume and nasal volume in each nostril do not differ. Next time you're yodeling down the hills, breathing carelessly, remember, one of your nostrils is doing all of the work. This has been The Shocking Truth, brought to you by Dherbs.com.